What's up, everybody? This is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha. And today, we're here to talk about ribs, specifically spare ribs, pork spare ribs. These happen to be Snake River Farms Kurobuta pork ribs. Think what Wagyu is to beef, this is to pork. It's some of the most decadent and delicious pork you'll have. But it doesn't matter if you don't have these spare ribs. What I'm about to teach you will convey for any sort of spare ribs. We're doing these Texas style, which means I'm doing a rub that doesn't have sugar in it. It's got salt, black pepper, and paprika. So the great thing about these Kurobuta ribs from Snake River Farms is they're already all prepped and cleaned up. Usually with a rack of spare ribs, you've got the rib tips up top and you got a lot of cleanup you need to do, specifically pulling the membrane off the back. Snake River Farms makes that thing easy for us. It's already, the membrane's already pulled off. These are already squared up. We're going to let these sit at room temperature for just a little bit while we fire up the big green egg.
For a hot and fast cook, I like to light it in 2 or 3 spots. Since this one is going to be just about 350 degrees, I've just lit it in 2 spots. So it's been about 10 minutes. You can see the coals are lit in those 2 places and got a nice bed of fire going. I'm going to put in this chunk post oak and a couple little pieces.